Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to show you how to make a delicious pizza without using an oven. Yes, you heard that right. We're going to create a craft pizza masterpiece using just the stovetop. So if you've ever craved pizza but don't have an oven or just want a quicker method, stick around because this recipe is totally for you. Okay, here's what we'll need. A ready-made pizza base, tomato sauce, store-bought or homemade, cheese. I love mixing mozzarella, cheddar, and goat cheese. Your favorite toppings. I'm going with mushrooms, bell peppers, and some spicy pepperoni today. Olive oil and a bit of salt and pepper for the sauce. Got all that? Let's jump into it. First things first, let's spread that delicious tomato sauce. You can generously layer it, or if you're feeling saucy, pun intended, just go wild. I usually love a good coating because who doesn't love sauce, right? A little sprinkle of salt and pepper brings out the flavors, and trust me, your taste buds will thank you later. Next up, the cheese. Load it up, you can never go wrong with extra cheese. Seriously, if you're going for that cheesy pull, don't be shy. Now for the toppings. I'm going for a fun combo today. Some fresh bell peppers, hearty mushrooms, and a sprinkle of pepperoni for those who like a bit of spice. You do you though. Pineapple. Go for it. Extra veggies.
Heck yes.
Alright, so here comes the fun part. We'll be cooking this baby in a skillet. So grab your largest skillet, non-stick if you have it, and let's heat it up over medium heat. Add a drizzle of olive oil so your pizza doesn't stick and creates that fantastic crust. Once the oil is hot, carefully slide your pizza in. Now here's the trick. Cover it with a lid. This keeps the heat in and helps the cheese melt perfectly, while the bottom gets that nice crispy crust. Let it cook for about 10-15 minutes. You'll want to check it every few minutes and spin it around so it cooks evenly. It's like a pizza symphony happening right before your eyes. You'll know it's done when the cheese is bubbly and the bottom is golden crispy. Carefully lift it out of the skillet and onto a cutting board. Just look at that cheese stretch as you slice into it. The aroma is irresistible. Now the moment of truth, it's time to dig in. Every bite is a perfect harmony of crispy crust, melty cheese, and flavorful toppings, proving you don't need a fancy oven to enjoy a top-notch homemade pizza. Delicious, quick, and so much fun to make. This stovetop pizza is sure to become a staple in your kitchen. Thanks for joining me today. Enjoy your masterpiece and don't forget to share your own pizza creations in the comments.